Okay, I know last week I didn't post because I had a video. Well, I was recording the video, but my day was not going good. I was like, if my day is not going good, and this video is not going to go good, so I scrapped it. Today we're here. I'm going to give you guys a day from life. I'm going to do this that I have. It is to call my father for money, do my lashes, visit the dentist, buy a toothbrush. Why I need to buy a toothbrush? My mother buy one toothbrush. Boy, a hard life. Listen, the toothbrush is so hard. It's like it's a brush everything but my teeth, and like you just can't use so many people buy a new toothbrush. We're going to go to Shepherd's Fair because my friend, she lives in Maypin, and she goes to Shepherd's Fair and she see something more, so like, oh, me I'll try the other one. If I can't get it at home, we'll go to Shepherd's Fair Maypin. Not today, but we'll go to Shepherd's Fair and Maypin. Come and need that shit. What we need actually, I don't know if you guys know the brand Bodycology. I love them, right? Recently we've been, I tried to find the body aisle or like in tropical places, specifically can find them product overall and compare prices. In Chapel's Fair, just more picture like 8 goes for the thing. In Mark Bay, it's for like $918. The lotion, then for the body spray, I think it's $1,050. Then we got one other place and I saw the lotion for $1,300. My see for like $1,500, and apparently that found out for even more money. Right? So Shoppers Fair is a cheaper way. Buying it online probably is a cheaper way, but Shoppers Fair is a cheaper way. Additionally, I wanted the body oil, right? Tell me why I got so weird and see a $5 product for $2.5. That's basically $16. That's 3 times the markup. You're telling me you're selling a $5 product for $15? In the store? Because it's this place in Arbitrary and like my seat come and walk and look for the thing, so my seat I see the lotion from the outside. I'm gonna say, well, them so far and stuff, probably even go inside, I see the body aisle as well. And I did saw the body aisle. I'm see $2,500, $2,500, and people look on me like, I'm not buying that shit. We're not buying that shit. I really wanted it though, but not that bad. More info before we move on. I'm taking a JUTC to Kingston. The JUTC that I want to take, well, the next one leaves at 8:50. So that means if I don't get the 8:51, there's another one that leaves at 9:20. And most times that leave 10 o'clock. That is so far from 9:20. I'm gonna try and get ready in time to catch it 8:50. But I'm kind of in no rush because nobody already did the campus. So if probably I'm going to the dentist today and get through the month, get through it. This appointment I did it's not really an appointment. I had an appointment previously. They tell me to do an x-ray and come back. I did the x-ray, but like all I know, I'm just big now go back. But yeah, we're going to do our lashes. I'm not sure if I'm going to show you guys do my lashes because honestly my phone is dead. My phone is dead. I didn't even charge. If I not charge, I'm not in the video. To be very honest. Are you guys watching Love Island? My clients, I have 2 clients actually. Melanie, yeah, judge me, and Anaya. Apart from that, I don't really care much about the others. Oh, I forgot the baddest of the baddest, Trinity. I have 3 clients. Melanie, Anaya, and Trinity. Not in any particular order. But yeah, I love them down bad. Kadia, I like her. But she keep on, for instance, one thing what she do, and in the last night episode, brother, you make your man come and chat to your friend, and you say no, whatever. And they kind of like have a point, but at the same time, they don't have a point. Because, yeah, I don't know, it just rubbed me the wrong way. Because why you let, I'm here, Zach. Zach, I feel like he's seen the faults in everybody, but you know, it's the fault in himself. And at the end of the day, it's a game they're all playing, so probably it's just being strategic and like pointing out everybody's faults. And people are like, oh, it needed to be said. There's a lot about Zach that needs to be said that nobody's saying. But you know, like, you know, running mouth and people go like, oh, it needed to be said. But it was still not his place. I'm pretty sure Casey and Anaya, and Casey's pissing me off because I feel like Casey is like sincere, but he's very calculated with it. It's not sincere, just one on a business. Casey is like, he's aware of what he's doing, and like, you know, so there's a camera on him, and he might try to like move and keep up the good guy act. Sincere does what them, but Casey does. And I feel like there's like so much I want to say about the villain, and there's so much to be said actually about it, but they're all human beings, and I have done my fair play of shit to like to not judge anybody. But it's really not judging. It's just like I'm a spectator, so I'm spectating and commenting. But my clients are Trinity, Anaya, and Melanie. I love Melanie don't bad. I feel like because I don't know, people call it showing the emotion and crashing out. It's really not crashing out. You're just showing the emotion, and because everybody's so caught up in the whole being nonchalant or looking so far from the world, when someone does show the emotion, oh, she crash out. It's not crashing out. She's expressive of whatever she feel, and she gonna just make it known. Say, oh, she feel a certain type of way, which is good. Trinity, Trinity is just so bad, and she's so calm, and like her emotions are so balanced. And she's just so sweet, and she tries to be good. She tries to be on everybody's good side. The rest of them, I don't really care for them, and I really don't feel to care for them. I'm gonna be a no chat. Don't know that she's on bed because it's 7:28. We don't have that time. Hi again, civilians. It is now 8:44. Most are come 8:50. We can't make it a mark, babe. But we're gonna make it for the 9 o'clock one because we need to reach at home. I'm gonna take taxi. I'm gonna take Costa. I have a JTC card. It's cheaper for me, so might as well. So my ear still cute. Thank you. My hair is like this because I had impulsively cut my hair. Since I cut it, I keep on a braid it. I put in synthetic hair. My hair, my natural hair, does not grow if I do that. It's like how people can braid them hair and keep it, and when I take it out, luscious hair. No, my hair is not like that. If anything, it break it. And I really want my hair to grow back. I would love for it to go back. For the next couple months, I feel like for the entire summer, because this looks cute. I am going to just comb my natural hair. Every time mommy hair come, I'm gonna go by my mommy. Anyways, we're going to leave now. I am actually not on the bus to Kingston. I am waiting for money. So like the bus gone. We're gonna get food. I got food. We got Pepsi. Also we get patty. I'm going to leave now. I'm gonna leave. Not really. So yeah, I want to look up in. If I don't leave at 8:51, there's another one that leave at 9:20. I'm more times that leave 10 o'clock. The bus gone. Come look for the thing. I have a skincare place in this place. There's this vitamin that I want. Someone says for myself for like $5. It's actually $3,000 in here. And then the other alternative is like 2,100. I'll come in here and buy it. Good thing I actually see what I want here, and it's actually cheaper than the places there. So I'm gonna go to the other supermarket first because it's kind of still $700. It's still cheaper. So we'll go down there still. But they have it here. Even the body scrub is actually cheaper. The dentist and I make one next appointment, but it's for July. I'm waiting on my friend to call about it, or probably text me about, because she wanted to do something here, but she's not in Kingston, so I was like, oh, let me do it for you. But I'm not get that. But I'm gonna give it like 5 minutes before I go there. I was literally, if I'm booking, so I was supposed to come, but I eventually came. Oh, she come back. It's going to rain. Like, that sucks. When I was in Ligani, I wanted to buy something at Wendy's, but I was like, I'm not feeding it here. I should have buy the food. I make stuff. But when I want chicken patty a juicy, I'm gonna eat it. And my classroom stuff. I thought it was a progressive food in Ligani. It's not progressive, it's general. So when I was there, it's like this guy, person I was going inside, like, oh, you did baby here, then come out. But I was like, oh yeah, like, you want to my name or whatever. Then when I was coming back out, it was like, oh, you do YouTube? I was like, kinda. And like, what YouTube name? Someone said, oh, it's Dakota. And he's like, okay. And then give me a phone for type with you and you subscribe. Hopefully you still subscribe and hopefully you see this. Hi, if you see. This is bad. It's hot. It is really, really bad.
Many hours later.
I need to watch Love Island. This girl should normally go live, and that's why I watch it, because I don't have Peacock and I'm not paying for it. The line of starters yet. I only bought 2 things today. Don't mind how I look. I take off my lashes because they might overstimulate me and like they judge me and like And then pull out the American editor with me. I bought this is from my face. My the toothbrush. This is this thingy, like this actual thing right here. I wanted them for like my other, well, I wanted it, right? Tell me why my in the pharmacy today, or the drugstore or whatever, and I see one pack of four. See, $1,150 plus tax. I'm just buy a toothbrush for the $300 and whatever. I get it for free because I'm not paying that. But when you gonna be wash my face, brush my teeth, and whatever. Fast, this for this week, we'll find out like. Also, I need to apply for this thing, and it's about to start.
Oh, turn me up, boy. What play, what play?
Oh, feelings. I don't want to disrespect the melody, but
Hey, 22, what are you?
This is where this video ends. This is probably like my worst video yet. And I feel real bad, but at the same time, you guys are still getting it. Anyways, bye guys. I hope you guys kinda did enjoy this video. It wasn't much. But if you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you did that, don't forget to like. Bye.